If you look at the questions around history, art, culture, and otherwise, you'll find the questions are increasingly a very, very applied basis. जिसमें कि you need to know reasons, you need to know the historical significance of why certain type of events happened in the past. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आर्ट एंड कल्चर की. एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग रिलेशनशिप है द हेरिटेज एंड आर्ट कल्चर ऑफ राजस्थान विद द ज्योग्राफी ऑफ राजस्थान. आप राजस्थान के बारे में आप सोचते हैं तो आप क्या सोचते हैं? राजस्थान ड्राई डेजर्ट्स हैं, सैंड ड्यून्स हैं, दे आर फ्लैट प्लेन्स, नॉट इम्पोजिंग माउंटेन्स, हिमालयाज, hardly any vegetation, scrub forest, bushes hain, and bright sunshine. So if you imagine Rajasthan, the landscape, the scenery around Rajasthan is relatively more monotonous, grayish color, you have got the sand ka color. Now, one of the aspirations of societies and communities is that they would like to stand out in contrast with the landscapes. So Rajasthan, mein, you find lot of importance of vibrant colors. Yellow, red, blue, they use colors to stand out. Colors to turban mein hai, colors or kurta mein hai, colors or lehenga mein hai. So color, the way the community uses, partly is a consequence of the landscapes के आगे वो contrast करना चाहते हैं. And just to emphasize this point, if you look at the down south, say Kerala देखें या even parts of Nilgiris देखें, the climate there is heavy rainfall, dense forest, green. And the way to stand out against this green is lot of whiteness. So white saris, white lungis, white kurtas, and even embroidery stands out the golden, shimmering colors. So ये जो contrast होता है from the landscape is one of the important factors that decides the art crafts of a region. तो राजस्थान में जो color है ये उसी का consequence है. And because historically they have been doing this for a long time. So the colors to Rajasthan में use करते हैं, they taken from local sources. Local plants हैं, local rocks हैं. जैसे blue is taken from indigo, red is taken from a type of plant called as mother plant, M-A-D-D-E-R, mother. उसके roots से वो red color निकालते हैं. And this red color of mother plant is not just popular in Rajasthan, but also popular in parts of Central Asia and Europe also. वैसे ही, if you're looking at colors like yellow, वो turmeric से आता है. So colors taken from nature, and those colors became more popular as a part of their handicrafts. अब ये reason है कि राजस्थान में ना तो कॉटन कल्टीवेशन हिस्टोरिकली इंपॉर्टेंट रहा है, ना ही वुल का प्रोडक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट रहा है, ना ही सिल्क इंपॉर्टेंट रहा है. सो व्हाई डिड राजस्थान डेवलप इनटू सेंटर ऑफ टेक्सटाइल प्रिंटिंग? नाउ सी, इसका रीजन अगेन ज्योग्राफिकल है, पार्टली बिकॉज ऑफ राजस्थान का जो लोकेशन है. राजस्थान का लोकेशन इज वेस्टर्न इंडिया. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ गेटवे टू द वेस्ट एंड टू सेंट्रल एशिया. Rajasthan is a dry region. Dry region में generally populations are traders. They take products and they improvise on it. They add value in it, and then they trade and they sell. So Rajasthan में they will take silver products and they will make imprints. They will have designs and then trade with it. Rajasthan will procure cotton, they procure muslin, they procure wool and silk, and then they add patterns in it, they add colors in it, and then they start selling it. So राजस्थान का जो climatic conditions हैं, राजस्थान का जो landscape है, राजस्थान का जो location है, that encourage this type of art forms. And if you look at textile को gorgeous बनाने का तरीका क्या है? One तरीका is you have embroidery, silk लेकर, embroidery, zari, fine silver or golden threads लेकर. But that type of embroidery makes the cloth very heavy. And Rajasthan is a dry region, it's a hot region. They will not like clothes which are heavy and warm to put on. So Rajasthan में, to add vibrancy, rather than use embroidery techniques, they started using printing techniques. Printing techniques कैसा? Rather than paint everything is meticulous, you cannot do it very fast. They started developing what's called as block printing. Block printing, वहाँ के locally sesame wood से वो blocks बनाते हैं with some patterns. They put colors and they imprint that. It's also called as dabu printing. That uses some kind of local muds also. Rajasthan में एक community है called as Chipa communities. Chipa communities come from parts of Gujarat. When there were, atrocities on Gujarat communities because of Maratha invasions, because of Mughals interference, these Chipa communities, they moved towards Rajasthan and they made their bases at locations like Bagru near Jaipur, Sanganer near Jaipur, centers at Pali, centers around Jodhpur, centers at Bhilwara. और यहाँ पर they got this techniques of block printing and they made it popular. So ये सारे जो art forms हैं, they are the consequence of a geographical factor of climate, local material, the consequence of the historical precedence of how the societies have moved. So do look up some of these prints. Bagru printing बड़ा interesting है, and it's a GI tag also. They use geometric patterns on blocks. शीशम wood के blocks होते हैं, and they use natural colors. Indigo blue है, mother root I said red है, iron filling से black लेते हैं, turmeric से yellow लेते हैं, and then they have those printings called as Bagru prints. Like Bagru prints are also Sanganer prints. Sanganer, again Jaipur के पास में, they use the water of a local river called as Dhund river, and they make more of floral patterns. वैसे ही राजस्थान में you have this type of art called Lehriya art. Lehriya art where the waves बनते हैं. Lehriya art typically mimics the wave and the ripples of sand dunes, and it gives that typical texture, the typical look for Rajasthan textiles. So ये जो कोटा एज ए सेंटर है, उदयपुर सेंटर है, ये सारे डेवलप हुए एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द ज्योग्राफिकल कंडीशंस, where as traders, the Marwadis would bring raw material, the Marwadis would bring cloth, and on that cloth, the local populations would impart this kind of prints and make it popular part of Rajasthan, of folk tradition and folk culture. So this is one of those interesting geographical takes on how cultures are developed and shaped by geographical factors, how cultures, traditions are shaped by local landscape, climates, and the local raw material. Watch me for these kind of videos, how geography is a very important part of our lives and our living, and see if you can use this to advantage of some of the answers in your GS.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join.